Station Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli is a professional surveying company specializing in the use of total station instruments for accurate and precise measurements. Total stations are advanced optical instruments that combine electronic distance measurement and angle measurement capabilities, enabling surveyors to collect data quickly and efficiently. With years of experience in the field, our team of skilled surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli is well-versed in utilizing these instruments to provide comprehensive surveying solutions for various projects. At Station Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli, we understand the importance of accurate measurements in any construction or engineering project. Our team is equipped with state-of-the-art total stations that allow us to capture precise measurements of distances, angles, and elevations. These instruments are essential for creating detailed topographic maps, calculating volumes of earthworks, and establishing control points for construction layouts. By using total stations, we can ensure that our clients receive accurate and reliable data, which is crucial for making informed decisions during the planning and execution phases of a project. One of the key advantages of using total stations is their ability to integrate seamlessly with computer-aided design (CAD) software. This enables us to generate digital models and drawings based on the collected survey data. By utilizing advanced software like SCON design, our surveyors can create detailed 3D models that accurately represent the surveyed area. Whether it's conducting boundary surveys, setting control points for construction projects, or performing topographic mapping, our team of experienced surveyors utilizes the latest total station technology to ensure accurate and reliable results. We understand the importance of precision in surveying and strive to exceed our clients' expectations by providing them with the most accurate and up-to-date data. The professional surveying firm Station Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli specializes in the use of total station instruments for precise and accurate measurements. Total stations, which integrate electronic distance measurement and angle measuring capabilities, are sophisticated optical tools that help surveyors gather data rapidly and effectively. Our team of knowledgeable surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli is skilled in using these tools to give thorough surveying solutions for a variety of projects and has years of expertise in the area. At Station Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli, we recognize how critical precise measurements are to the success of any construction or engineering project. Our crew has access to cutting-edge total stations that enable us to take accurate measurements of distances, angles, and heights. These tools are necessary for producing accurate topographic maps, figuring out how much earth must be moved, and setting up control points for building layouts. We can guarantee that our clients receive accurate and trustworthy data by employing total stations, which is essential for making wise decisions during the project's planning and execution phases. Total stations